children. How are you? I hope that you are well and fine. Take care about yourself, children. Drink more water to be healthy, fit and fine. Right. Now I am telling about 8th class social lesson. That is fourth lesson, the polar region. The polar region, fourth lesson, part 1. Yes. So polar region is the region that is located near the poles. How many poles are there? 2 poles are there. One is North Pole and the other is South Pole. The region that is located in the North Pole and South Pole are called as polar regions, and these regions are also called as frigid region also. Means it is totally covered with ice. The polar region has continuous nights and continuous days for many months. So this polar region has continuous days or continuous nights. So as you know, we are getting day and night. Yes, we are getting day and night regularly within one day. So one day itself we are getting half day and half night. But in the case of polar regions, we are not getting like that. So continuously in winter season, continuously totally only nights, and in summer season, continuously only days, like that we can see. No day nights. For months we can see day nights, and for months we can see days. There is no daily sunrise and sunset in polar regions. Just myself I told. Polar region is very cold. Only ice and snow can be seen in the region. So polar region is totally covered with ice and snow. Polar region, the region which lies near the poles. Just now itself I told you. So for example, this is the globe, and this is North Pole, this is South Pole. So there is this region, and this region is called as polar regions. This we call it as the equator, that is 0 degrees latitude, equator. Right. So the region near the poles is called as polar regions. The boundary of polar region is known as Arctic Circle. So the boundary of the polar region is known as Arctic Circle. The upper part we call it as Arctic Circle, and the lower part we call it as Antarctic Circle. The northern part of the continent within the polar region is known as tundra region. Yes, the northern part of the continent. So this is now the northern part of this continent within the polar region. From this part to this part we call it as the tundra region. Tundra region is almost dark throughout November, December and January. So tundra region is throughout dark, totally dark. So tundra region is totally dark in the months of November, December and January. So what is meant by tundra region? Tundra region means the northern part of continent within the polar region. The northern part of the continent within the polar region is called as a tundra region. Yes. Polar region extends from 66 degrees half northern latitude to 90 degrees north. So the extension of the polar region and of northern latitude to 90 degrees northern latitude. So the polar region lies between, extends from 66 and of northern latitude to 90 degrees north. For example, now this is a globe, this is 0 degrees, and here we can have This is North Pole and this is South Pole. Right. Here, so 0 like this will go from 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. Up to here, we can see the polar region. The extension of the polar region is from 66.5 to 90 degrees. The sunrise fall slantingly on this region. So the sunrise is falling slantingly on this region. Winter and summer are the two seasons. So here we have, in India we have 3 seasons. That is winter season, summer season and rainy season. But in the polar region you can see only 2 seasons. That is winter season and summer season. Formation of day and night occur in 1 year. People live in small groups, they do not settle life. So the polar region, the people who are living in this region are living in small houses which is made up of, which is called as Eskimos. People live in small villages, not villages, where people live in small groups, they do not get a settled life. So they are living in a small group, but and they don't have a settled life as other regions. Now equatorial region. So this is polar region. Now equatorial region. This equatorial region lies from 0 degrees to 23.5 to 0 degrees to 23.5 northern latitudes. That is north and south latitudes. North and south latitudes. The extension of this equatorial region is lying between 0 degrees to 23.5 north and south latitudes. The sunrise falls straight on this region. So here the sunrise is falling slantingly. Here in this region, straight. It is falling straight on this region. Winter, summer and monsoons are the 3 seasons. Here we have only 2 seasons. That is winter season and summer season. But here we have winter season, summer season and monsoons. Monsoons is nothing but here rainy season. Like that we have 3 seasons. Formation, yes. Formation of day and night occurs in 1 day. Here continuous day or continuous night will be there. Or continuous night will be seen in the case of polar region. But in the case of equatorial region, we can see day and night in 1 day only. That is within 24 hours we can see both day and night. But in the case of polar region, we can't say day and night in a same day. That is within 24 hours. People, yes, in the equatorial region, people live in small towns, villages and cities, and they lead a settled life. The people who are living in the equatorial region, they are living in small villages. Yes, small villages or towns or cities or big megacities like that. And these people are having a settled life. Right. Next about the climate of polar region. The next topic is climate of polar region. Yes, climate of polar region. Yes, winters are long and they are bitterly cold. So in the polar region, winter is very long. Long winter you can see, and the temperature is very cold during these days. And they are bitterly cold. Many hours of sunshine is found during summer. Yes. So winter days are very long and we see bitterly cold. And in the case of summer season, it is having very long sunshine. Long sunshine will be seen during summer. During winter, the sky is not totally dark as there are no long periods of twilight, both of sunrise and sunset. So during winter, the sky is not totally dark. Yes. During winter season, the sun is not totally dark because the sunshine and sunset are white. Means here they are not having a fixed region. For months, temperature remains below the freezing point. So in the climate in the Tundra region, for months, for many months, maybe 3 months or 4 months or 6 months, the Tundra region is remaining temperature below freezing point. Means below -1 degrees or 2 degrees or -5 degrees, like the temperature will be seen in that points. Summers are cool and short, the days are long. So in winter the nights are very long. In summer season the days are very short, but we can see a pleasant atmosphere, pleasant temperature, that is very cool and short. Yes, precipitation is chiefly cyclonic in region. Precipitation means rainfall, we can say in a cyclonic region. It is light, averaging about 25 centimeters. It is high during the warm seasons. So it is light, averaging about 25 centimeters. The rainfall, we can say about 25 centimeters in the Tundra region. Next. So vegetation, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means what are the crops we can see in the Tundra region. Natural vegetation of Tundra region. So natural vegetation of Tundra region, bush tundra, the next one is grass tundra, the next you can see desert tundra. So Tundra region is quite unfavorable for plant life. So Tundra region may not be favorable for the plant life. Means we cannot get the agriculture practice in that regions. It is not good for agriculture practice. Yes. In spite of handicap, the Tundra region has a wealth of vegetation. It is broadly classified as, in spite of handicaps, it has a wealth of vegetation. It has broadly classified into 3 types. One is bush tundra, grass tundra and desert tundra. Bush tundra. This is found in the borders of the taiga. It consists of shrubby alders, beeches and cultivars. They are only on a few feet in height. So, it has broadly classified into 3 types. One is bush tundra, grass tundra and desert tundra. In bush tundra we can find shrubs. One is shrubs, the second one is beeches, and the last one is cultivars. And the height is very few feet. They are only a few feet in height. Next, grass tundra. This is seen beyond the fringe of the dwarf trees. This occupies largest area and consists of mosses, lichens, sedges, flowering plants and occasional low bush. So this grass tundra, it is occupying huge area. So big area is occupying. In that area, what are the things we can see? Means one is mosses, lichens, then flowering plants you can see in that, and also sedges, and some occasionally fruits and flowers. You can see this region, that is grass tundra region. Desert tundra, it lies on the poleward margin consisting consisting of small islands of vegetation. The vegetation grows in the pockets of soil scattered among the bare rock surface. Right, children? So this is part 1, and the remaining part 2 I will continue in my next class, children. So you have listened once again carefully, 1 or 2 times or 2 times. After that, prepare your notes on that. Then read, go through the notes, then write without seeing your examination. Right, children? Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.